The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall. On bar. I'm on the
You're
bar.
not on bar.
I just explained to you that you were detained. Let my shit go, bro. Did I not? Bro, let my shit go. You are detained and you're not free to go. Which part of that is? Bro, you come up here and fuck with me. You single me out of all these people. You're eating. Bro, so what? It's against the law. So what? I tried to explain that to you. Let my shit go. It's a violation of California law. I have the right to detain you. No, you don't. Yes, I do. Can you please let my backpack go? Are you going to cooperate?
Yeah,
So you cooperate and leave me the fuck alone? You're going to go into jail. I'm not going to jail for eating a fucking sandwich? No, for resisting arrest. I'm not resisting arrest. You are resisting. I haven't done anything wrong. I haven't done nothing wrong. I've done nothing wrong. You can argue that. I've done nothing wrong. Let my bag go.
Just let
my bag go, bro. What are you, bro? What is this nigga doing, bro? Let my bag go. Platform is uncooperative. Bro, bring him up here then.
stop.
I'm not doing nothing. I'm gonna continue my sandwich, bro. I do this shit every fucking morning. Every morning, bro. Let my bag go.
Yeah, why is there a store downstairs selling food if we're not allowed to eat up here?
Why is there a store downstairs?
And does it not say on, there's no signs here that mark that we can't eat on the platform? Where is there a sign up here that says we can't eat on the platform? Where is there a sign up here? Where is there a sign up here, sir? Excuse me. Where is a sign up here that says that we can't eat on the platform? We know that we can't eat on the train.
People come up here and eat every fucking day, drinking coffee and all that shit. Let my bag go, bro.
Is there a chance
you ain't got no, bro? You ain't got no, bro. You ain't got no reasonable cause to fuck with me.
Is there a chance you could allow me to talk?
Bro, let go of my bag.
You are detained and you're not free to go.
I'm not detained. I haven't done nothing wrong. I've done nothing wrong.
You are detained.
Stop.
You're under arrest. You're going to jail, my man.
Detained for what?
For eating. It's illegal. Fucking violation of California law. I've already said that. Yeah.
I do this shit every morning, bro. Watch out.
Just trying to go to work. Just trying to
morning,
go to work, eating a sandwich at 8 o'clock in the morning.
Bro, let my bag
go. Do you want to cooperate or not?
I've been standing here. I ain't went no fucking where. Let my shit go.
And I asked you for
an ID. You got no right.
I asked you for ID.
You don't need my ID.
I do.
I've done nothing wrong. Dude. I'm not your fucking dude.
Where? I don't understand. I didn't know that you can't eat on the platform.
You're not free to go.
I'm not detained, bro. I ain't done nothing wrong.
You're going to end up going to jail.
I've done nothing wrong. But your supervisor. I want to talk to your supervisor.
You're welcome to talk to me.
Call him.
Can you call him?
Call him.
Can you call him? We need to talk to him. Because we weren't doing anything. Literally just ate a sandwich on the platform and you wanted to come fuck with him. Just because he's eating a sandwich on the platform. All these motherfuckers have eaten on the platform. Maybe not on the train, but on the platform,
bro, you
really?
Came all the way down here
like looking for a reason.
You watched me come up here.
I didn't come down here to single you out.
Yes, the fuck you did.
You came all the way from down there to single him out because he's eating a sandwich.
I'm eating a fucking sandwich.
You're giving him a ticket for eating?
I was on another call, actually.
You're fucking weirdo, bro.
Stop. Just knock it off.
No, because you're detained. You're not free to go.
Why are you in my face? Why are you in my face?
Why are you resisting arrest?
I'm not resisting arrest. I'm not under arrest. I've done nothing wrong. So fucking what?
I can't wait to post
Damn,
this.
my train's here. Now let my fucking bag go. Bro, let my bag go, bro.
We're gonna be late for work.
Cause you won't let my fucking bag go. Let my bag go, bro. Bro, let my bag go.
You're not free to go.
Bro, let my bag go.
Stop.
I've done nothing wrong.
Knock it off.
I've done nothing wrong. Call your supervisor, bro.
I will.
Call him right now. Call him now.
Can you call your supervisor?
He's big dick.
Okay, I got it.
Big asshole.
Yeah, I got
let my bag
it.
go.
Just because you're eating a sandwich.
Eating a fucking sandwich.
You're not free to go.
Let my bag go, bro.
You're not free to go.
Let my bag go. Let my bag go. Okay, let my bag go.
You're not free to go. You're not
Well, I have no right to touch my shit.
You have no right to eat a sandwich on park.
Oh my god.
I'm not on board. It's fucking... Bro, let my shit go, bro.
This is crazy. Over you eating a sandwich.
Bro.
Talk about not having anything else to do. Over him eating breakfast on the
Let my
platform.
fucking bag go,
You're not
bro.
free to go.
Stop pulling.
This is your shit.
I didn't say that.
Then let it go.
You're not free to go.
Let my shit go. If I touch any of your shit, then I'll be under arrest. So let my shit go. You have no reason to touch my shit. No right. Let my shit go.
I've already explained several times that you're detained and you're not free to go.
I'm not detained. I've done nothing wrong.
Yeah.
I'm not detained though.
Okay.
I don't feel detained. I feel harassed.
Okay.
I feel harassed. That's what I feel.
Yeah, I feel like you're being harassed too over eating a fucking sandwich. I just saw 3 people walk up with fucking coffees in their hands, but that's okay.
I done seen hella people on this motherfucker eating, drinking coffee, and you don't fuck with none of them. You come up here and single me out? Why? You ain't get no pussy at home. I know you ain't. When's the last time you got your dick sucked? I know it's been a while. So you come up here and fuck with people like me to make yourself feel good. Let my shit go, bro. You got no right to be touching my shit.
You're not free to go.
Can you let my shit go, please?
You're not free to go.
Just stop. Just stop.
Call your supervisor.
Just stop.
Call him now. What's taking so long? Bro, let my shit go. Bro, get all this shit.
I am.
Keep this shit rolling. Get all this shit. This nigga came up here and started fucking with me because I was eating a fucking sandwich. Did nothing wrong. Paid for my chicken and everything.
Stop.
Hella people on the motherfucking platform. He comes straight up to me, all the way from down there, singles me the fuck out, and grabs my fucking bag and I won't let go. When he has no reason to be touching my shit. Let my bag go, bro.
You're not free to go, man.
Okay, but let my fucking bag go. This doesn't belong.
He's not going anywhere. Where do you think he's gonna go? Where do you think he's gonna go?
You have no reason to be touching on my shit. Let it
Free
go.
to go.
It's okay.
I'm not free to go, but I ain't went no fucking where and he's
It's
still
alright.
grabbing on my shit.
It's okay.
Do you want my bag that much? Do you like Mickey Mouse? I can tell you when to go get one. Is that what you want? You want a bag like this?
No, all I asked for was your
Okay, I'm asking for you to let my shit go. I'm asking for you to let my shit
asked for your
go.
name. You didn't
Bruh,
give me your
I
name.
don't need to give you my name.
You do.
I've done nothing wrong.
Yeah, you
Let
do.
my fucking bag go. I was eating a fucking sandwich. You don't need my name because I was eating a fucking sandwich.
What's your name? You're eating a sandwich on the platform. Like, how ridiculous is that?
My name is Yolanda Flavor. Let my bag go. I'm Yolanda Flavor. Ask your mom. Ask your mom what my name is.
You gonna cooperate or not?
I'm not doing nothing. Call your supervisor. Are you going to cooperate? Call your supervisor.
Call him under, sir.
Call your supervisor. Get all this shit. Being harassed because I ate a fucking sandwich. Literally came on the platform, paid for my ticket, came up here and does the same shit everybody does every morning, getting ready for work, grabbed the fucking sandwich and ate it. Not even on the fucking BART. I'm on the BART fucking platform getting ready to get on BART. He's talking about I'm eating on BART. What fucking BART do you see? I just missed 2 trains because yo faggot ass. You fucking fag. Ask your mama what my name is. That's what you can do. I ain't got no reason to give you my name. I don't need to. I've done nothing wrong.
I never even knew that was a rule to not eat on the platform.
There's nothing up here saying I can't eat. Show me where a sign is saying that I can't eat. On the platform. Shut up, nigga. You ain't got shit to say, nigga. You feel stupid, nigga. Show me a sign where it says I can't eat on the platform.
Stop.
Show me.
Stop.
Show me. You fucking nerd. You nerd. Let my bag go, bruh. Let my bag go. Bro, let my bag go.
What's going on here?
He came up here harassing me.
All right, I need to go and turn around.
No, I've done
Turn around now.
I've done nothing wrong.
Turn around, man.
Stop. Just listen.
Stop
Just
resisting.
listen. Just listen.
Ain't nobody
Stop
resisting.
resisting.
Ain't nobody resisting.
Just listen.
You see this shit? Nobody resisted.
You didn't even do anything. You got 4
Fucking
cops for
dick,
eating
bruh.
a sandwich.
4
He was just
cops
eating
for
a
a fucking
sandwich.
sandwich?
That's all he did was eat
4
a sandwich.
cops for a fucking
Stop
sandwich?
resisting, okay?
Ain't nobody resisting.
against the law to eat.
Nobody
Not fair,
resisting. It's against the law to eat.
And by the way, there's a part of it, disturbance. And that's what we're speaking of.
Disturb what? Disturb what? Disturb what? Disturb what? I came up here and ate a fucking sandwich.
Sit back, please.
I'm gonna go with him. He's with me.
You're investing in a fucking sandwich?
No.
Because I'm black? Bro, I just fucking got here. Disturb what? I just got on the fucking BART. You don't feel stupid as fuck. You don't feel stupid as fuck. You don't feel dumb as fuck.
They're arresting him for eating a sandwich. For eating a sandwich. That's it. That's all he did was eat a sandwich up here and they're arresting him.
Hey, get all this shit up there. Come on.
Stupid bitch.
I can't get on BART and eat a fucking sandwich. I ate a fucking sandwich. I got on BART. I'll see what they are. fucking breakfast down on the bar platform. Y'all got me fucked up. Fuck all y'all niggas, bro. You a bitch. You a bitch without that bag. You a bitch without that bag. Fucking Mark. I'm about to stop for it. You a Mark, bro. You a Mark. You a Mark. Your mama a Mark. And all your homies is Marks too.
I already paid. Can I go with him and then come back?
Yes, I am. I've been fucking arrested. Okay, I'm sitting right here. Now he's forcing me to sit down. I don't want to sit down.
Oh, that's it. Go to the back of my car.
Man, you a bitch, bro.
Stop talking. Stop talking. Stop talking. Stop talking. Stop. Stop
I'm in
talking.
handcuffs because you're a bitch. Why do you need it? Why do you need it? I don't have to identify myself to you. I've done nothing wrong. I have done nothing wrong. My name is Steve. That's all you need to know, bro. That's all you need to know. I've done nothing wrong. I want to talk to your supervisor. 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 What's the disturbance for? You should have been thanking me with the disturbance for. I got on fucking bar. I jumped out of Uber.
You haven't really given us a chance.
Bruh.
There was a report somebody matching your description on the platform.
No.
No, you're changing it. That's not what he stopped him
Ma'am,
for.
stay out of it, please.
That's not what he
Videotape if you want. Do not interrupt.
The whole time. I got on BART, bro. I got out the Uber. I paid to get on BART, and I stood on the fucking platform, eating my sandwich. Y'all came down there fucking with me. I done nothing wrong. I said nothing to nobody.
Steve, what's your last name?
I said nothing to nobody.
Steve, you let us talk for a second?
You talking up? You grab my seat. You got no reason to grab my seat.
What's your last name,
Stop
Steve?
fucking with me. Why are you fucking with me? Why are you fucking with me? Because you're not telling me nothing. I want to talk to your supervisor. Where's your supervisor? That's who I want to talk to.
Where's the break? Alright, we're gonna relocate over here.
I got it.
Don't worry about it, you're fine, you're fine.
I've done nothing wrong. What disturbance do you have? You got no disturbance, bro. There's no disturbance. Y'all got to call out this black man on the platform being a fucking traffic sound so y'all can't fuck with me. That's what happened. That's what happened. Let's keep it behind you. Let's keep it behind you. That's what happened. Bro, get all this shit on camera, bro. All this shit. All this shit.
Where are you guys taking him?
It's a little loud out here, so he's under arrest. We're gonna take him back to
For what?
For what?
I didn't resist arrest. It's all on camera. Nobody resisted arrest.
Eating in the bar is a violation of California law.
Bro,
Whether you
get
like
the
it or
fuck
not.
out of here, bro.
Okay?
No, it's not.
Simply asked you to abide by the law.
Nah, you came down there fucking with me. You came down there fucking with me, grabbing on me.
Stop talking.
That's what happened.
Stop talking.
It's all on camera. No, I
Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
Give me your bag.
All the way again.
For what?
Are you with him?
What?
Man?
You blame me. Because y'all fucking with me. You came up there fucking me acting like an idiot. I was doing shit. I didn't do a fucking thing.
So you said you stopped him because there was a description of what?
What's the description? What was the description? What was the disturbance? Well, Brad, talk.
There's
You
a
wanna
report
talk,
that's
bro?
going to be filed. He's going to get the case number. Likely get a citation. That's not taken to jail. That's his information. That's his price.
Bro, but we don't have, bro, I just got here. I literally just got here. Check the cameras.
Right.
Check the cameras. Check, nah, bro, I'm not gonna relax. You know,
Well, help yourself.
Y'all are seeing
Help
me
yourself.
out. Y'all are singling me out. Who's the supervisor? Bro, where's the supervisor? I've been asking to come to the supervisor for bro. No, let her come in here.
Viewers and subscribers, I saw this video on social media and it has been said that the man had been arrested for eating a sandwich. I say, what? A man arrested for eating a sandwich? No man, me have to see this for myself. You see? Viewers and subscribers, based on what me hear in the video, it seems as if the man had been arrested for eating a sandwich. However, in my point of view, the man had been detained for real, right? Now, the police officer said that he's being arrested for resisting arrest. That's what the police officer said, right? Alright, fine. Resisting arrest, you know, is a part of the law where you know, say, you're not supposed to break that part of the law, alright? Now, I would more have an idea or understanding so that a person will get a ticket, right? Because I thought it would be a ticket if you're eating sandwich at a certain place. You see me I say? And I don't know. Really and truly, viewers and subscribers, I thought I have seen it all, but really and truly, me just see something brand new. Yeah? Which is why you always hear the thing where them say you learn something new every day. Really and truly. Right? Now, viewers and subscribers, me Dancehall Skilla, I love to think for myself, you see me? And the question when me I got asked, is it that the man has been arrested or detained for eating a sandwich in the public, or is it that he has been detained or arrested for eating the sandwich at the platform that is at that train station, or you know where he's going to take the train and so forth? Yeah, because every country have their own law, you know, viewers and subscribers, and you know, you have to really and truly understand that their law is there for some form of a protection. So I just saw it go, but really and truly, you have to bear in mind that there's more to this video. So when it's out on social media saying that the man had been arrested for eating a sandwich, maybe the man has been detained for a temporary while and probably get a ticket and so forth. As you mean, who knows? And one more thing, in the last part of it, you know, me hear the police officer say something about description. So basically, in my point of view, it's as if the police officer from start probably see this man and this man match somewhat of a description. You see me, all that you have to look at too, because some of the times, you know, these things do happen where police officers see somebody and them say, yo, that man match a description. So them just, you know, them just try to see if them can find out who that person is. You see me? And if a police officer asks you for your identification, give him your identification. Alright? Because when you know you're clean, you know you don't have nothing to worry about. Do not resist from giving your identification. Tell him your name in full. If you have to, show him your ID, right? Because, you know, at the end of the day, you're probably looking like somebody that them wanted, or somebody them want to arrest, or somebody that is wanted out there. You probably look like that person. So if you know you're clean, just give him your identification, right? And just let it be gone. You see me? Alright, now viewers and subscribers, like I said, there's more to the video, so more to the thing for yourself. As I say, and that's where I'm gonna leave it right about now with you, my viewers and subscribers. And you can let me know what you think about something like this. You see me? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, this video is out on social media where some people are saying that it is police harassment and some people are saying no, it's not police harassment. And there has been some things that have been said about this video out on social media. Alright? Yeah. And you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla, but they have to keep up to date and post it, make you know what I go on. Alright, so until next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it? Hey man, you know where I watch.
Dancehall Skilla!
Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.